Welcome back for part 2. Luckily this time, part 2 is only one slide, so hang with me for a second. Fibromyalgia, and we're going to talk about what can exacerbate fibromyalgia patients and what it is. So fibromyalgia is a painful syndrome causing chronic pain in muscles and soft tissues. The symptoms include aching and stiffness, fatigue, disturbed sleep, and depression, and treatment includes NSAIDs and physical therapy. So overaction to bright lights, odors, and noises can exacerbate fibromyalgia. That's similar to if you've ever experienced migraines or had a family member or friend experience that. Those same type of symptoms can exacerbate the symptoms of fibromyalgia. And that is the end of our lecture for this week. If you have any questions, please make sure to post in the question and answer board, or you can send me an email. I hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.